Hey everybody, I'm now live on, I believe here we're on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. And welcome to Tuesday night, 20th of May, 2025. And there's no high impact news tonight, not for the US dollar. There's some news on the Canadian dollar, but nothing for the US dollar. And today's been a fairly quiet market actually. So let's go over and have a look at the charts and see what we've got. We've got Bitcoin first of all, of course. I like to look at Bitcoin to start off the session. And what is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin hit 106,000 again today, 107,000 yesterday, 106,000 today. Let me just check my sound and make sure. If you can hear me okay, just type 1 in the comments. Just going to check the sound and make sure it's okay. Need to turn up the volume. There we go. That's a little bit better. Sorry about that. So looking at the chart for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is now at 104, but it looks like it's coming down during the U.S. session. It went up this morning with the Asian Pacific session. We had a gap up, got up to 106,000, and then it's fallen down now, trading at 104, 104,300 and change. So if it comes down to 103, that's a good buy opportunity. Okay, it looks like it's respecting our trend line. So 103,000, around about 103,000 is a good buy limit for Bitcoin. Okay, and then we're going to see higher prices. We keep getting these higher highs and higher lows. It keeps moving up slowly, but 103,000 we should find good support. And then it should move back up to 106 and even maybe beyond to 110,000. So a buy limit on Bitcoin at 103,000. And then let's go over and see what we're doing on gold. If I can get the right chart up here, that's the right one there. Nope, that's the wrong one. Let me do this other one. Here we go. That's the right gold chart. Okay, what's gold doing? Well, it's in a fairly tight range, but moving up now. The bulls have control of gold, and gold is moving up. And we did have resistance at 32.51, but it has broken above that in the previous hour. Wall Street opened about 35 minutes ago, and the U.S. forex market opened about 1.5 hours ago. And now we're seeing a lot of bullish momentum here. The bulls have control. All right, the bulls have control. Let me see if I'm sharing the right thing there. Yeah, that's the right chart. And so what do we do? Okay, the bulls have control. The bulls are buying. That's different from this morning in the Asian Pacific session. We saw the bears had control and pushed the price down to about 3206, 3205 in that range. And now, since the London session opened, it's had a big bullish movement. And then now with the pre-US session, it's had another big bullish movement, and we're still going up. Now trading at 3271 for now. So where is it going? That's always the question you should ask, is where is it going? Gold is moving up, but where is it going? All right, if you want to buy now, the next resistance is here at 3301. 3301. Are we going to finally get back up to 3,300? It looks like it. Not very far from that now. 300 pips away. That's not much for gold these days. That's not a big move for gold. 300 pips. So it looks like we could get up there in the U.S. session, and that's definitely where it wants to go. It's headed there now. You have 3 good, strong, bullish candles for the last 10 hours or so, ever since the London session opened. And now trading at 3273. Okay, 3273 is our high price right now, and heading for 3301. 3301 is our next resistance level. If it should fall down, now we have support. It was resistance, but now it's support at 3251. 3251 was our support, was our resistance earlier today, but we broke above that very dramatically, broke above that 3251, and now very bullish and heading for 3301. That's our next resistance level for gold. If you're buying now, the next level is 3301. So as I've said many times, guys, we need to be day trading gold. These are not trades that you can expect to hold for 3 or 4 days. You get in, you get your profit, and you get out. That's just the way it is. That's it is what it is. You can't hold a bearish trade here. Now we've been trading in a range for the last all of this week, yesterday and today, and last Friday also. But now trading in a kind of a range. But it looks like we have bullish momentum, and we want to move up to 3301. Okay, so the bulls have control. Let me go over to my other charts and see what I see on the 4-hour chart. And yeah, bullish. The H4 chart is bullish, and unfortunately the day 1 chart is still bearish, but that looks like that will probably change today. I think tomorrow we will have bullish indication on the day chart and even the 4-hour chart. But right now, the bulls have control. The buyers have control. And we're trading at 32.74, and the momentum is strong. It looks good. The volume is pushing the price up. So our next level of resistance is 3301. I don't think we'll go much higher than that today, but that's the next level where we're headed. And that's about 300 pips, 250 pips from where we are now. Okay, so let's see what the US dollar is doing. Let's look at the DXY index. And not doing much, is mostly sideways. We had a big drop in the dollar yesterday, and then some sideways movement in the US session. And then in the Asian session, it dropped down again. And now it's bearish, of course. With the XAU USD, gold is paired with the US dollar. So we have bearish movement on the US dollar. And that makes sense, doesn't it? Gold is going up, dollar is going down. Normally, that's the way it should be. It's not always that way, but it should be that way most of the time. And just quickly, we'll look at the JPY basket, which we had a good run up today in the Asian Pacific session. It's falling off a little bit now, but it looks like the JPY is starting to gain some strength, and it's getting higher highs and higher lows as we go, and we're probably going to see some stronger trading, strengthening of the JPY basket, the Japanese yen. Bitcoin, yep, again, buy limit at 103, and gold just buy. There we are, even going up higher now. That was from my previous video analysis. Now 32.77. Oh, good momentum, 32.77. So if you're not in that yet, you should get in, because 32.77, and we are definitely heading to 3301. That's our next level of resistance. Okay, that's it for me, guys, for today's session. No high impact news. It's just that the bulls have control of gold, and everyone is buying, and we're going up to 3301. And we might even break above that in today's US session. We'll see how it plays out. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below and I will get back to you. And don't forget, if you're watching on Facebook, to like, love, and share. And also on YouTube, be sure and subscribe to the YouTube channel at Rick Ray. Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time.